Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Um, we are going to write some more stories today, and I'm kind of excited about the one you have to write today because it's about something fun. I want to show you a book that some students wrote about their playground and what they like to play with. So, remember last lesson we talked about when we write, we use our snap words like my, a, and the. And we always go from the top down when we write. We don't go bottom up. And we can include words of things that we like to do. Or it could be maybe things in your desk, maybe things in your classroom. This class wrote about things on their playground, so I wanted to show you what they wrote. I'm going to read you their little sketch for their book, their story. The swing. A ball. The hoop. A glove. The sandbox. A baseball diamond. The bench. A hat. The tree. A cleat. Boys and girls, a cleat is a little spike in the bottom of a shoe when you play soccer or football. So these are all the things that they thought that go with their playground that they wrote. So maybe your playground is different, or you could write about your bedroom or your classroom, right? So this is what they wrote about. Now, a couple things that we want to keep in mind with writing. Remember, we can use our snap words like my, a, and those snap words that we worked on, right? We can use those. But what we also want to do is we want to use other words that are not snap words. And so that's when we're going to really remember to use our chart with our sounds if we need it to sound out some words that maybe is not in our list. So let's talk about how this class used their sounding out and their snap words. Let's say we wanted to go back down to where they wrote about the glove. Now, maybe you don't know how to spell glove, right? That's not an easy word. So they wrote a glove. Well, we know a, right? Now, to write the word glove, you might have to go, oh, how does glove sound? G, 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 g. Oh, remember? It has the g sound like guitar. G. So I'm going to make a lowercase g. G, g, g. Love. Ooh, I hear a V. Boys and girls, did I get all the sounds in glove? No, I only got 2 sounds in glove. So, boys and girls, I have to go back again and take the word and sound it out. And every time my lips make a new sound and they change, I'm going to write down a letter that matches that sound. So let me try it again and see if I can get more sounds. I want to say g, 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 oh, 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 that's an L. G, oh, oh. There's lots of letters that can make g, oh, Boys and girls, do you see how like a lot of times I chunked the word and I stretched it really slowly and did a sound at a time. G, o, All right, let's try another one. I kind of liked the word, where was that? Oh, there was that sandbox. Wasn't there a sandbox? There it is. Let's do sandbox. Now, they did that's a snap word, T-H-E, you know that. Now, Sandbox. Sandbox. X. Boys and girls, did I get very many letters to sandbox? Mm-mm. I gotta keep trying, don't I? Oh, and let's sound it out again. Ready? See how many letters we can get with sounds. S, and, and, and. Now I'm gonna write the box. B, b, ox. Boys and girls, did you see how I took my time and I went back and did part of the word and did it sound by sound? And box. That's what you need to do with your writing today. So, boys and girls, you're going to really take your time. You're going to try and get as many letters for the sounds in your word. Now, just don't write down crazy letters, right? We want to take each one sound that we hear, and box, right? And write down as many letters as we hear the sounds, because then that's showing that you're being a strong writer, that you can get lots of sounds in your words. And then when people read your books, that gives them clues about what words you're writing. So boys and girls, let's be strong writers today. Work hard through that word that you want to write, sound it out sound by sound, and write down a letter for each sound that you hear. All right, good luck, writers. I hope you do some strong writing today.